Buying the newest logistics software alone will never be enough to solve a modern supply chain's data interoperability nightmare. As long as organizations treat software deployment as the priority, their systems will remain disconnected. Real integration requires completely pivoting the enterprise to focus on data readiness first. Modern supply chains are heavily fragmented. Countless stakeholders rely on differing formats, disparate product codes, and completely incompatible standards. Add legacy enterprise resource planning systems to the mix, and you get rigid transactional bottlenecks that force workers into disjointed manual data entry just to bridge the gaps. Proprietary vendor interfaces lock organizations in. A shipper using a closed system is unable to onboard new parcel carriers because custom data interfaces cannot communicate. Installing another layer of tech on top of this fragmentation does not correct it, it only amplifies the silos. The root cause of integration failure starts before any code is written. Stakeholders routinely fail to agree on the definition of basic business terms. A shipper defines a delivery window as a precise 2-hour block. The carrier receives the same data, but interprets it as a 4-hour block. When the systems attempt an API handshake, it fails. This ambiguity leads to rejected shipments and financial penalties. Software algorithms cannot auto-reconcile semantic differences between human partners. If the business dictionary is flawed, digital collaboration breaks. To fix this, executives must mandate a shift away from an application-first mentality and embrace a data-first architecture. Analysts constantly extract copies of shipping data from disconnected operational systems into reporting tools. This duplication creates conflicting versions of reality across the enterprise. Establishing a single source of truth eliminates this duplicate data, standardizes formats, and provides unified visibility for every stakeholder. Unifying shipping data and standardizing naming conventions is a mandatory prerequisite. Without it, modern logistics technology cannot function properly. Navigating out of the digital integration maze depends entirely on changing the enterprise's cultural mindset toward data clarity.
Hello, this is Raina McClure from SC Tech Insights. Thank you for listening. For more on this topic, click the article link below or go to www.sctechinsights.com for the latest insights on supply chain technology. Thank you and see you next time.